Come on, guys, customers are waiting, yes? Come on. And the secret of using fresh vanilla, of course, is 1,000 times more exciting than vanilla extract. And the flavour is extraordinary, yes? And Max?
Yeah, chef.
You're a posh boy, you should always be using fresh vanilla. Yes?
I do, yeah.
Good
and
man.
then I use that for my caster sugar afterwards.
There you go, good. Right, guys, start plating up. 2 breakaway, plate up. 2 back up, please. Let's go.
Okay.
Quickly.
I'll break away.
Let's go. Come on. Fucking hell. 5, please, yes?
Chocolate, me? Never.
Right. A question for all 4 of you, yes? Whilst Dawn French was waiting for her main course, yes? Yeah, her and her table played Shag or Die. Which one do you think won?
Dawn got the horn.
Dawn has definitely got the horn. Guess who for? Tom.
It was me. What do you think Lenny would think of that?
Congrats.
Is that absolutely orgasmic?
It's not any ordinary profiterole, is it? No. It's kind of an extraordinary profiterole.
Right, guys, come round, please. Yes? Right. Starters, yes?
Yeah.
25 out of 50.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Shit start. Yeah. Main course. 34
We're
out
just
of
going
50.
up. We're going up.
You pulled it back. 34 out of 50. Now,
Good.
desserts. Well, you did fucking well. Yeah.
49.
46 out of 50 customers agreed to pay, yes? Listen.
Who are those for?
Listen. Guys, that means a grand total of 105 out of 150, yes? What scares me about that is the thought of you 4 cooking a cloud. Yeah. Well done. Right, do me a favour. Get the fuck out of my kitchen.
Yeah.
Now, though, yes? Out.